A very active day yesterday. Thankfully, a calm day today, just on the chilly side. Most of us only getting up into the low to mid 40s, but we did have plenty of sunshine. It was dry and without just unbearable wind. Really didn't feel terrible outside. Tomorrow is definitely going to be warmer. Many of us will be close to 60 by the afternoon hours. Unfortunately, cloud cover will return as we get into about midday, and by the late day hours, probably about this time tomorrow, is when we could see some showers working in. Maybe even a thunderstorm, but instability is going to be on the lower side tomorrow, so not super concerned about any kind of thunderstorms tomorrow. Things will change as we go into tomorrow night. How about our current temperatures? 37 in Funiag Springs, 38 in Marianna, sitting at 39 in Panama City, 44 in Bluntstown, 45 in Apalachicola. And because we have dry dew points, not that much in the way of wind, and our temperature is going to be flirting with 35 and lower, I expect we will see widespread frost tonight across the area going into tomorrow morning. That wind shifting to out of the east will quickly dissipate whatever frost does develop as we do see a big warm up. Winter storm warnings once again for Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, West Tennessee, as well as Oklahoma and Texas. Places in Dallas getting down to the single digits. And if you're wondering just how cold it was this morning across the Central Plains, Oklahoma City set an all-time low, breaking the record back in the 1800s. 14 below zero last night. That's what Oklahoma City dropped to. It is a cold, cold temperature. Winter storm watches all the way up and down the East Coast. For us, it's going to be the warm sector of that storm that we are concerned about. So once again, the severe threat will be in place. A moderate threat for wind and tornadoes. The greatest risk is going to be for wind in those thunderstorms, only because tornadoes are on the isolated side. We're also going to have to worry about some heavy rain with that, so flash flooding is still a possibility as well, but maybe not as much of a concern. Going through the day tomorrow, we should be nice and clear. What I have highlighted here in the yellow, that is where the severe risk is for Wednesday night and Thursday. Notice every county in the Panhandle highlighted with the potential for severe weather. The greatest risk coming after 3 a.m. on Thursday with these thunderstorms as they start to organize. This is going to be slowly progressing off to the east. So by about 9 a.m., it'll be working through Bay County and Jackson County into Calhoun and Gulf. By the time we get to past midday, say 1, 2 o'clock, most of the severe weather will have exited our area, and all we're going to be left over with is shower activity. So severe threat will only be on the front edge of that line as it does progress off to the east. Rainfall totals are another thing that do have my attention as we go through our Thursday, because someone could pick up anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of rain very, very quickly. And with the saturated grounds we already have in place, runoff is going to be a very big potential. So be aware of that on Thursday as well. We clear things out, thankfully, for Friday, still remaining with an isolated chance at a shower early in the morning hours. We will see temperatures cooler, but thankfully the Arctic air will be retreating, so we're not going to be ice cold. We'll have temperatures probably below freezing once again for our Friday night, maybe even Saturday night as well, but sunny and dry. And then we'll look forward to a much calmer, much more normal type of weather as we enter the beginning of next week.
So the weekend looking pretty good. Sunshine.
Yeah, not too bad.
You got it. Thanks. The